All right, the disposition strategy for wholesaling, incredibly simple. It's not hard, it's so simple.
Household easy, we close fast, and anytime that works for you, your house don't need it, we'll throw cash.
All right, the disposition strategy for wholesaling is to find a buyer that is going to want to purchase your contract that you have already gotten with a motivated seller. So the process of wholesaling is very simple and it's very, very straightforward. You are going to locate a motivated seller that has problems. You're going to make a friend with them. You're going to help them solve some problems. You're going to offer convenience to that individual in exchange for a discount. You're going to then make them an offer, and then you're going to get the property under contract. You're going to use paperwork, a contract, to then get the property under contract. This gives you control of the asset, of the property. Also, it gives you inventory. It gives you something that you can then now market and or sell. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to find yourself another investor. Could be a landlord, could be a fix and flipper, right? Could be something else even that is interested in buying the property that you then have under contract. And then what you're going to do is you are going to either assign your contract to that other individual, or you're going to do what's referred to as double close, meaning that you are going to meet the seller and the buyer at the title company and often put you in different rooms, and you will buy the property from the seller and then simultaneously 2, 3, 4 minutes later go into the other room and sell the property. And the great thing is you often don't need any money to double close. You can even use your end buyers. Sometimes you may need transactional funding. Often you don't. And if you assign a property, you definitely don't need any money to wholesale a property. So the disposition strategy when it comes to wholesaling is to either assign or double close. Don't overthink it. It is incredibly simple to do both of these. But something to keep in mind, if you don't have any properties under contract, you can't assign or double close anything. You can't disposition something that you don't have. So having inventory is very, very critical and crucial to getting to the next step in the process. So my advice to you is, if you are new, don't spend a bunch of time and effort and energy trying to learn how to disposition a deal. Spend your time and your effort and your energy learning how to acquire a deal, how to get a property under contract, how to get some inventory on your shelf, hypothetically speaking. If you don't have any inventory, you can't sell anything. So focus on the most important part of this business: marketing, making offers, running appointments, making friends, and then ultimately getting these properties under contract. Once you have a property under contract, guess what? You have inventory. Now that you have some inventory, you can find yourself a buyer, and you typically do so by marketing the property. You can use local Facebook groups, you can use your local RIAs, you can build your own buyers list in a number of ways, and call and text and email your deal, your contract to purchase a property, to these other investors, and then you and those other investors can come together to determine what method, assigning or double closing, is going to make the most sense for you to make the most amount of money, but also help everybody along the way. The beautiful thing about a wholesale deal is you're essentially helping a seller sell a problem property. Not always, but most of the time. You're helping yourself by getting a spread, hopefully a big spread, and getting paid, but you're also helping another investor, a buyer in your market, buy their next fix and flip or their next rental property or the next property that they are going to do something with. So we're out here creating winning scenarios, helping people, getting paid to do so. It's very, very simple. Don't overthink it. When it comes to dispoing a wholesale deal, it is incredibly simple, and it's not hard. It's so simple. So keep it simple. Don't overthink it. Focus on getting contracts and inventory. That's the most important thing, because without that, you can't do the next steps. It's literally required to have inventory to then turn around and disposition those deals. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it. You got this.
From the city, trying to take it in a jiffy. Household easy isn't picky. You don't have to worry about inspections or commissions.